few inches later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, how's you all? I mean, I'm really curious to know about it, that how you all are doing. So yeah, today is my plan to add some color to my life because it's totally black and white right now. So yeah, um
2,000 years later.
so this is the moment I'm waiting for, and I haven't washed my hair. Uh, Last I was like 3 days or 4 days back, so I think this is the perfect time to color my hair. I have oils in my root, so my root will not get damaged. And yeah, last year I had plans to color my hair, which was stopped because of some circumstances. So today it's like it should be my it should be a really quick video, I guess. I don't think you'll get bored, and yeah, just see what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put some pictures so you can see what I'm trying to do. I have this, sorry, I have this two hair color. Since I'm doing blue and purple ombre type peekaboo hair color, so
आप जो बोल रहे हो आपके कानों में जा रहा है?
Peekaboo hair color.
I have these two colors, and these are so much affordable. Like I got it at 128 each. See, I hope कि दो पैकेट में हो जाए. I don't want to waste my money, right? So let's do it. Okay guys, so I have this glass bowl, and I have there are actually two steps to follow right now. Wait, okay. So the packet has this leaflet for guidance purpose, for instructions given over here, and then a spoolie type brush, which is for bleaching, I guess. Yeah, it's for bleaching. Like last time when I colored my hair red, it was for that purpose. And then here comes the first step, which is the blonder and the developer mix, which we gonna do at the very beginning. And then have some color brushes, some gloves, and yeah, some conditioners, and the colorant, the second step, where I'm gonna color my hair as blue. And in the purple case, there are same thing where the color is like the colorant is in purple color, and we don't have to mix any developer over here. Now let's begin, because it's very confusing. Let's part my hair. Okay guys, so this is the partition. Sorry, this yeah, so I want to color my hair from this side. I mean, from the front section, you can see I want to color that. And this is how the back side looks like.
Get your bag up, hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey. Oh yeah, it's time to mix it up and get your glow, girl. I know that you gon' get it, you got so.
I just don't understand what to. I don't want to apply it. You know, you can see the consistency. Oh my god, so lovely. Time for the gloves. Guys, as you can see that almost it's like 3:45, and I finished doing this bleach at 2:55, I guess. So I think this much time is completely okay to get that pre-lightening effect. So Now I'm gonna wash my hair, and yeah, and I think I should go for a shampoo because that would help me get the perfect color.
Few moments later.
Okay guys, time for the reveal. Can you guys see this? I mean, I look like, I don't know, I just look like, I don't look like myself. I look like someone other. Like, you can see this is white, this is black, and it's giving me a vibe of Cruella, right? Cruella. So, just lovely. Just love it. I just love it. I just love it. Just see this. Just don't waste our time. Let's just focus on the color end, right? Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, just see this. Okay, पूरा नहीं लेना है अंकिता, पूरा नहीं लेना है. Just don't have to take all your hair. Just निकाल. I feel purple कुछ ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा. It's like purple, purple. Color to बच.
Few moments later.
So hello guys, this is my final result. I hope you like it. You can see some of the purple are showing right now. I just forgot to take the glimpse at sunlight, and I'm really sorry about it. Overall the color turned teal, which is okay, like you can see, and the results are too amazing. Like you can see the blue is also showing over here, and yeah, I think it turns out really great. Sometimes it's look very vulgar, but I like it. I'm just in love with it. My family are still scolding me about this, but I don't care. I just love it. Like I'm the new me is here. I love everything, and yeah, dude, let me know what it looks like to you in the comment section, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye guys.